Hello everybody and welcome to my shop. Today we're going to talk about Adirondack chairs. I made a couple of them for my front porch, and I used S4S pine, southern yellow pine, to make these because I was going to paint them. It's been plus 4 years and they're still good. I give them a wash every year and they're still in good shape. For those, I've made like 12 plus of them, so I decided to make templates like these in 1/8, I think here is plywood, and this is what I use to trace on rough boards to see how much wood I'm going to use. There's one example, another example. These are have dimensions and quantities, so I can make sure I cut the right amount of parts. In terms of tools, this is really easy. So on top of the miter saw and the table saw, I bought this, a drill. And I used some deck screws to assemble the chairs. Nothing more, nothing less. And obviously I bought drill bits, and I bought a kit like this from Dewalt, including half-inch drill bit, and if you can find this kit with half-inch drill bit on sale for less than 20 bucks, it's worth it, because just this bit alone is worth some money. So I would recommend this on sale. What I found really quickly is also when I bought this thing here, and as you saw now, I'm a Bosch fan. All my platform for cordless tools is the Bosch platform. I purchased this drill with a 1.5 amp hour battery. Rapidly, and obviously I saw that 1.5 amp hour was not enough. So I ended up buying a set of a hammer drill and another drill here, with upgrading to 4 amp hour batteries. And this is much better. It lasts very much. It lasts longer. It's got more power. I'm happy with it. So I would strongly recommend, if you're starting like I did, not to buy a single drill, but buy a set of the drill and the hammer drill. Much worth it. This one's going to be a very short one because I'm going to make a couple more chairs for a charity event that is coming up. So I would like to bring you along the build with me, and I'll show you how to make these chairs. It's fairly easy, very beginner friendly project, and it doesn't take very long. It doesn't involve any glue. You can do it of any kind of wood, the wood you want. I started with pine because it was paint grade for me, and then I moved to red cedar, which now I'm using for all the chairs. So all the chairs do not need any painting, or we can be painting if people want to, but cedar is very well fitted for outdoor projects, as you know, because it's a natural repellent for insects, and it doesn't decay, just like every other type of wood. Teak would be the ideal option, but I didn't have any. If I make some more chairs for me, that's what I'm going to use, teak. Anyways, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.